Allow me to be a co-sponsor likewise of Senate Resolution number 1209, congratulating and commending the Senate Sentinels.
As chairman of the Committee on Sports, it is with great pride and honor, and I co-sponsor the resolution commending and congratulating the Senate Sentinels for winning its historic back-to-back championships in the UNTV Cup Executive Face-Off. First time po ito na back-to-back sa Executive Face-Off.
It has been my great honor and pride to play alongside my fellow senators, Senator Bongo and Senator now Secretary Sani Angara in the UNTV Cup Executive Face-Off. Ginoong Pangulo, ito ho ang ikalawang sunod na panalo ng Senado sa UNTV Cup Executive Face-Off.
Salamat po sa camaraderie, salamat po sa friendship, salamat po sa tournament na ito na nagpasaya sa marami. At maraming salamat of course kay Kuya Daniel Rason